And there we are. We have the man, the myth, the legend, Drew. Ready, your guns? Steady. Steady. Fire!
Give me the neck, motherfucker. Thought you were supposed to be like a fucking accurate shot. The neck hurt, man.
I'm so sorry.
And the fucking, my ears ringing. Ah, whatever, worth $30.
37.
I realized that was the first shot. They were a little high.
Yeah, this one.
What
Yeah.
about my neck shot?
It's too dark to see. It's a little dark. It's a little dark.
That would hurt the worst.
Yeah.
I needed $5 to shoot you.
Not bad.
My hand. Is that blood or is that my head? Or is that your paintball? Oh, you hit me in my cut. You are a sniper.
I'm sorry.
Fuck it, whatever. That's totally worth $30.
You know who's regretting this? Tro
You did
Daddy.
twice as much as I did.
Yeah, he would have.
Oh, that one actually really hurt.